Hi guys, it's Sunny from Zimbrick European. I wanted to show you one of our convenient ways that you can utilize our early bird and drop-off box here at our location. When you drop off your vehicle for service early or after hours, you can park your vehicle right here in our service drive. If your vehicle is not drivable, please have the tow truck driver park it in a spot that's easy access. If you are wanting to drop off your vehicle prior to us opening or drop off after hours when we are closed, we have a early bird night owl box right here outside of our Mercedes garage. And inside it, when you open it, there are envelopes that you can fill out with a pen and put your keys in it. And then what you're gonna do is take this envelope with your keys in it, walk over here to the door, open this slot right here, and you will stick the envelope with the keys in it right through the door. Then someone will contact you first thing in the morning once we've got your vehicle all checked in. Thanks, guys.